I had a great night's sleep at Scourie. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. Their ablution block has a great number of well-maintained showers, and there's a well-stocked spa shop right at the entrance to the site, and there's a 24-hour petrol pump within about 2 minutes ride. I would 100% come back here next time I do this route. Here it is. I knew I'd find one. With all these places that you're flying through, if you're camping, bed and breakfast, particularly though if you're at campsites in beautiful places like this, there's always the standard idea, the standard concept of leave no trace. These places are beautiful and they should be exactly the same way when you leave them. So don't be like those assholes back there that have got a rubbish tip outside the front of their tent. I hope they clean it up before they go. Old man shouting at cloud, finished shouting at clouds for now. This is day 5 on the road now, and I've planned another short run, just under 100 miles, to a campsite called Sands near Gairloch. Again, I've deliberately kept the mileage low. I want to take my time with this and enjoy the run. Kylesku Bridge. Less than 10 miles from Scourie. I was looking forward to getting the drone up for the first drone shot of the trip.
Landing. Low battery warning. Critically low battery. Landing.
Bugger. Oh well, no use crying about it. Places to be. We are more than halfway through our trip now, and we've come a long way to get from London to Kylesku Bridge. And this little equipment film reminds me again that I'm trying to do the best I can with the equipment I've got. That drone, the DJI Mavic Pro, was bought 10 years ago, and those are the original batteries. The GoPro I'm using is the Hero3, that's 13 years old. It has no image stabilization at all. It is really not doing justice to the stunning Highland countryside on show. Regardless, we do the best with what we have so that I can share this journey with you. Absolutely stunning. You're not too bad either. Sands at Gairloch. Jesus, it is windy as hell. I think I've just managed to grab the last sheltered spot. It's quite a good little basin actually. Hopefully this will be fine. Things to worry about: wind changing, tent blowing over, bike falling over. It's on a rock, but God, I don't know, all kinds of things can happen today. So, Sands campsite. It is literally just off the beach. Most of it's reclaimed, I think. Sands caravan camping at Gairloch. It's a huge site, by far the biggest of the trip, and it's almost entirely grass-covered sand dunes. Absolutely stunning in summer, I'm sure, but when the wind has picked up and you're looking for a quiet tent spot, I was really worried that I was looking at another night of getting battered by winds. But those grassy dunes did a great job of blocking the winds out once I found a spot. Thanks for watching this to the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Next episode sees me riding from Sands down to Applecross across what's supposed to be Britain's deadliest road.